Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid Siddiqui and you are watching my YouTube channel. After a little while, I come back to make videos. Today I'm going to make video about Lexus SUV. I start from the small SUV, then I go to the medium size and then go to the full size. And today I'm going to make a video very beautiful SUV from Lexus. It's called NX200T. It's a small SUV and we will start from the exterior and then I will show you the interior. After that we will talk about the engine and trunk space. It's really good for the young people and I think very affordable price and very good in the gas mileage. Let's go, we start from the exterior. Okay guys, this is the beautiful SUV Lexus, and as you know, like this called like Japanese Mercedes or American Cadillac. That's Japanese Lexus. We start from very beautiful logo. You can see as Lexus has a premium quality, beautiful logo Lexus. And if you come this side, this is you can see the arrow shape like a turning signal and very slick headlights, LED lamps inside, and there is a air vent. You can see in the front bumper there is a air vent, and this is the fog lamp for the night. And then when you come on the side, very beautiful, you can see the front fender, and it has 18-inch rim with the alloy tire. Beautiful, the plastic curtain around the fender, and then as you see all this curtain go all the way back, and beautiful wing mirror, and it has a chrome strip, and this is a turning signal in it too. And the good thing, if you have a key fob in your hand, if you touch the handle, it's unlocked. You can see the blink the light. If you touch again, and then it's gonna be locked outside. And then it's a like 5-door. It's a beautiful outside, and same it's a back wheel, then a gas tank. And when you come back, you can see it's a beautiful like a chrome trim all around the windows. And you can see now this is the back tail light. See how beautiful, the black cover and very slick and thin looking. You can see beautiful tail light. And when you come back, this is a spoiler, brake light, antenna, and back window, beautiful, and the Lexus logo again. If you come back, and you can see very beautiful, and it has a dual exhaust. You can see it has a 2 exhaust, and this is the model NX200T. T stands for turbo. That's why it says the 200 is a small engine but with turbocharged. Backlight again beautifully, and you can see same specification on that side. Very beautiful exterior, and the color is very like a metallic gray color. And in this SUV, one more thing, very good, it has a smart sensor in it on the rear and on the front. If you want to drive off from the driveway, but somebody standing or some kids in front of you can't see, is not gonna drive, because the smart sensors tells you something is in front of you. And that's the best safety feature I like in Lexus. It's a really cool feature. I love it, this thing. And now I will share some interior specification, and then we will show you the engine and trunk. Let's go. Okay, let's get into the SUV and I will show you the interior. As you know, beautiful beige and black combination, because this is the top of the line with the wood trim in it. Let's get into the SUV. And this is the key fob Lexus, you can put here. And this is, as usual, push button start. When you press the brake and push button start, first it adjusts the seat where it was, because it has a memory system like the Mercedes and Cadillac. You can put your adjustment in memory, and when you turn it on engine, it automatically adjusts you with the steering and the seat. Beautiful sports steering, you can see, and it has all control panel into the steering, smart cruise control, top of the line, and beautiful LCD panel 6-inch. You can see it has navigation, and it has all control panel here. Very beautiful analog clock here, and this is all sound system, CD. This is the gear lever, parking brake, mode, 2-wheel, 4-wheel, drink holder, small compartment. You can hide something very important. Big compartment, you can put your belongings here, drink holder. You see the seat, very beautiful bucket seat, It has a like a black and beige color contrast. It's very beautiful bucket seat for the driver and front passenger, and as you see, climate control rear and front and passenger for driver. And as you see, the good thing in this SUV, it has also SOS system. If you got involved in accident or something, you know, you can like press this button and then enforcement company reach you. And you can see it's very like a good size, and adult person also can sit very easily, very comfortable, big leg room, and top of the line all wood trims, black and then beige leather. And you can see like it's a 5 passenger, and there is a very beautiful ladies bag on the back seat. It's look very nice, also beige and brown color. And this SUV is very luxury because it's Lexus. And I will tell you about the engine specification and trunk after this interior. I think you will enjoy. And it has sunroof, small sunroof, you can say, very beautiful sunroof, and it all control panel over here. And you see the touch, you can touch, light is on, you can touch, light is off. That's very fancy and dancy thing in Lexus, you know, not in all the car. And let's go outside. I will show you engine and trunk space. Then after that, as usual, we give you small ride and show you. Okay, let's go. I show you the engine and tell you about the specification. You can see, wow, it's a very beautiful engine. And you know what is the specialty of this engine? This is only 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, very small and compact engine, as Lexus pack under the hood very beautifully. And you can see this is a turbocharged, because the new cars all come with the small engine, but they put turbocharged, and this is it, Lexus 4-cylinder 2.0 liter with turbocharged. And if I'm talking about the horses, it has very good 194 horsepower, this engine. I think in this small compact SUV, this engine is really fast and strong. Let's go. I will show you the trunk space. Okay guys, now I will show you the trunk space. Cargo space is called. And as usual, it's top of the line. You just touch and it's automatic open the back door. And as you see, it's a big space. You can put almost like a 4 like suitcase over here. But as you see, lot of stuff here. I think they are ready to travel. This is, you know, it's a jump start. If battery is down, there is a cable to jump start the car. And this is a chain. If you go to the mountain or somewhere, you chain your tire. This is chain is here. And this is, you can see the Lexus logo, very beautiful. Some I think is candies, some shoes over here, some slipper, some pillow. I think it's ready to long route. And it has a cargo net too. You can put cargo net. Shelf here is underneath. You can see very beautiful bag is hanging here. You can put a lot of your stuff in the bag because it's Lexus. It's like I saw some like a toothpaste, and then everything is your toothbrush. And this is the underneath. I show you, this is it's the extra tire over here. I think there is a tool I can see, but I think the tire should be here. Yes, this is the full size extra tire underneath of that cargo space. And this side is all like a jack and everything, and this is just a small like compartment to put it. And as you see, lot of stuff already here. It's really like a big space, and it's good for the long route. And as you can touch this button and it's automatically controlled, and this will close automatically. Rear view camera in it. Very beautiful SUV. Okay guys, as usual, in the end we give you a ride of this small SUV. Very beautiful. I love it. I love this Lexus. First time I'm going to make, and next one is I go to a little bit medium size SUV, then full size. And let's go, I will show you. Very beautiful SUV. You can see how smooth. There is no noise even. This engine is not, even is a turbo engine. You can see navigation is shown, and I will show you a little bit in the neighborhood. beautiful weather today, sunny, and you can see the power of this SUV. You can see this has a turbo engine. See the sound, very beautiful Lexus equipped with 2.0 liter engine with turbocharged. I love it. The pick of this SUV is really fun to drive, and you can see we are going a little bit in the neighborhood. Very beautiful sunny day, and you see the sound of the car, really good. And very good SUV, and I think I love it. Very controllable. Handling is really good. After a while I drive SUV small, but it's really comfortable, and handling is really good. Really smooth handling, you can see, like, and the engine is very powerful. Really is more than my expectation. We can go straight up the hill and show you the power of the engine. This is now its turbo is on. Go up the hill. Very beautiful. It can go 0 to 60 mile only in 7 seconds. You can see, like, this is SUV, is not a sports car, but it has a turbocharged engine. That's why 0 to 60 mile in 7 seconds, I think is pretty impressive. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will make more videos for you guys. I was a little busy, now I'm free again, and hopefully you will like this video and you will enjoy this SUV. And if you want to buy SUV small size like 5 passenger, I think I recommend you, this is the best SUV to buy. Thank you very much and have a great day.